Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin with Isaac Berry celebrating birthday number 9. Happy birthday, Isaac.
In Carl Junction, London Huffman is turning 9 years old as well.
And Trevor Whitley celebrating birthday number 11 in Chanute. Happy birthday, Trevor.
Jennifer Coberly, happy birthday to you in Columbus.
And Hannah Atkinson Zom celebrating in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday to you, Hannah.
All right, and let's see, we've got Hannah's father, Rick Atkinson, celebrating as well in Baxter Springs.
And Tess Watson over in Weir celebrating birthday number 54. Happy birthday, Tess.
Wilma Mallory celebrating birthday 93 this year. Wilma is in Columbus.
And Jeff and Tessa Clark celebrating their 29th year of wedded bliss in Columbus. Happy anniversary to the Clarks.
And our very own Grace Goebel, KOAM News and Production Assistant. Grace, hope you have a wonderful birthday.
And our birthday list continues with Kesha Clark celebrating today. Happy birthday, Kesha.
And let's see, Heather York in Crestline, our neighbor there. Happy birthday to you.
Robert Wells over in Baxter Springs celebrating birthday number 71. Happy birthday, Robert.
And Kenny White in Scammon, happy birthday to you.
And last but certainly not least, Mike Martin celebrating a birthday today as well. Happy birthday, Mike. What a great list. We want a bigger list. Tanya, how can they help us make this list even bigger?
All they have to do is email us their birthday pictures and information. Be sure to include the name and their age if you'd like. Hometown is great as well. And any other special notes, send them to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool things it has to offer, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. And I think more importantly, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.